Conferment of honorary degrees. Chancellor, sir, the Council and Senate of Mountain Top University have jointly agreed, in line with the statutes, to confer honorary degrees of this university on the following distinguished personalities: His Excellency Prince Dr. Abiodun MFR and Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola. Sir, we will take that of Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola now. Chancellor, sir, the Council and Senate of Mountain Top University have resolved that the honorary degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa, of the university be conferred on Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola. I therefore invite the University Auditor, Dr. Oyonide Olawumi, to present the citation of Engineer Bayo Akinola for the honorary degree. Thank you, sir.
May I please request Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola to stand. Chancellor, sir, it gives me great pleasure to present Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola to you for admission into the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa of Mountain Top University, Makogi-Oba, Ogun State, in recognition of his outstanding contribution to business, education, and the wider community. Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola was born on November 14, 1970, into the family of Mr. and Mrs. Solomon Olatunbosun Akinola of Balogun Town in Abeokuta, Ogun State. He is married to Mrs. Sheyi Christiana Akinola, and they are blessed with 4 lovely children. Engineer Micheal Bayo Akinola is a rare gem of immense success in the business field.
By the authority vested on me as the Chancellor, and in accordance with the provisions of the University Statutes, I confer on you the degree of Doctor of Letters, D.Litt, honoris causa of Mountain Top University, Makogi-Oba, Ogun State, with the rights and privileges attached thereof. God bless you.
Sergeant.